Hey, rail fans and model railroaders, welcome back to another episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve and Roxy. We've noticed a lot of interest in rail passenger service in the model railroading community, and we've seen a lot of your guys' layouts are running passenger trains. So we thought we could introduce a topic and talk about railroad dining cars.
So we came across a pamphlet handed out by the Southern Pacific Railroad back in 1928. They contained recipes and facts about the railroad at the time and told us a little bit about how they got their food and how they cooked it. So we thought we'd get a hold of Union Pacific, ask them if they were interested in letting us use it for some videos. They said they'd be delighted to have us share with you. So we're going to try out some recipes and talk about railroad dining cars and see what we can learn.
With that being said, let's get to cooking.
During the golden age of railroads, companies began to connect all corners of the country, and passengers demanded comfortable and increasingly upscale ways to reach their destinations. Rail lines were in stiff competition with each other, working to provide lavish amenities to their valued passengers. The dining car was perhaps one of the most popular of these amenities. Rail lines used their opportunity to gather the freshest fruits and vegetables, as well as the highest quality meats from all over the country, and serve them in grand style to their discerning passengers. As a form of advertisement and a keepsake of the journey, Southern Pacific Railroad gave out a pamphlet full of recipes served aboard the dining car. It was called Our Dining Car Recipes, and each meal plan was tested by Paul Rice, executive chef of the Southern Pacific Company. It featured 112 recipes and a handy list of cooking don'ts for the housewife of the era. The recipe we'll be trying today is Baked Potato Surprise. The recipe begins by having us wash potatoes, clip ends, and bake until done. Here we're preparing our potatoes, getting them in the oven. While we did this, we prepared the rest of our ingredients. Dad's helping me cut the tops off. Those are some hot potatoes. We saved these potato skins for an appetizer. We'll scoop them out. And then we'll mash them, adding butter, egg yolk, and parsley. Here we'll melt butter, adding our fillets to the pan to sear on each side. Then we'll saute our bacon, adding our mushrooms, it's nice to cook when Dad can hang out with me. Those mushrooms are looking tasty. First, we'll fit our steaks into our potatoes. I couldn't imagine how we were going to get this to all fit together. We'll top with our mushrooms and bacon. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese. And pipe on our mashed potatoes. Sprinkle with a little more cheese. Then parsley. And get them cooking in the oven. And here we have it, garnished with fresh basil from our garden and served with green beans and lemon.
Well, there you go. That was Southern Pacific's Baked Potato Surprise.
Our tasting footage didn't work out this week. We're learning a lot about how to film a video of this type, so we'll have something for you next time. But we tried out that meal. It was delicious.
It really was. I absolutely love the way the bacon and the mushrooms just melted right down into that potato skin and the piped in tomatoes or potatoes. And then the steak over the top was the cat's pajamas.
It was so tender.
And I even ate the potato skin. Sure. So after that great meal, we would like to continue trying more recipes from that menu and then posting them in addition to our regular build series videos.
So hit the like, hit the subscribe, and the bell so you're notified of when we post a video. And let us know in the comments what you thought about us doing this type of video and what you think about the history of dining cars.
In the meantime, have a great time on your model railroads and running trains, and we'll see you next time on Getting Back on Track with Steve
And Roxy.
Bye, guys.